Today I'm gonna show you how to make overnight oats in 3 delicious ways. This recipe should serve as a base to help you get started. For this you will need 1 cup old-fashioned oats, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 cup of plant-based milk. I used coconut milk as it gives really delicious flavor. Mix it together and store it in airtight container up to 5 days. For the sake of this video, I made overnight oats the day before so you could see the texture and consistency of it. If your oats are too thick, in the morning, add a splash of milk. For the first delicious flavor, we're going to add our overnight oats in a jar or a glass. Add some blueberries, handful of raspberries, and I'm going to add BLK drops. BLK drops are flavorless. They're full of antioxidants, fulvic minerals, and amino acids. So the second delicious way to make your overnight oats, you would want to transfer your overnight oats into the glass or a jar. Add the grapes to it. I have green grapes and red grapes. I'm gonna sprinkle on top with hemp hearts and pink pitaya, which gonna add a little bit of color and sweetness as well. The final option to prep your overnight oats is going to be apple cinnamon flavor. It is one of my favorites so far, and it's very easy. Just sprinkle on top with ground cinnamon. Slice an apple into little cubes so it will fit in a jar or a glass. Mix overnight oats with cinnamon really well. And place apple cubes on top. And sprinkle on top with coconut flakes. If you love healthy breakfast idea, overnight oats is made for you. Enjoy!